Hi guys, my name is Maryam and today we are gonna make a lava lamp. It's so easy to make. We will just need one cup of oil, and a quarter cup vinegar, and we will need two things to mix with it, and food coloring, and a drop thingy, and baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of water. So let's get started. First, we're going to get the oil here, and then we are going to put, let's see the bubble. Oh my gosh, okay, now we mix. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we are mixing. So fun to make. Okay guys, now we have to put some food coloring. You can put 2 or 3, but I'm just gonna put one, and we have to put 4 drops. But be careful. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is how it looks now. You see those bubbles down there? Pop. Okay, now we can set this aside like this. And we will take the baking soda and the water. So we put the water on the baking soda. Okay, there we go. Now we are gonna put the baking soda and the water. So let's put them here. Wow. There's still some more. There's some more. Wow. Okay, it looks so beautiful now because it's just like we have put it blue, so it looks like the sky with some rainbows, and that. It looks so beautiful from down. And look, rain, go away, come again another day. I like this one. It looks like rain dropping. Rain. I love it from down there. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So we have finished it, and how did you like it? I hope you can do it too, like me. And I have finished. Bye.